Hi, what's the mechanical engineering? Technically, mechanical engineering is the application of the principles and problem-solving techniques of engineering from design to manufacturing to the marketplace for any object. Mechanical engineers analyze their work using the principles of motion, energy, and force, ensuring that designs function safely, efficiently, and reliably all at competitive cost. Mechanical engineers make a difference. That's because mechanical engineering careers center on creating technologies to meet human needs. Virtually every product or service in modern life has probably been touched in some way by a mechanical engineering to help humankind. So, this includes solving today problems and creating future solutions in healthcare, energy, transportation, world hunger, space exploration, climate change, and more. Being ingrained in many challenges and innovations across many fields means mechanical engineering's education is versatile. To meet this broad demand, mechanical engineers may design a component, a machine, a system, or a process. This ranges from the macro to the micro, from the largest systems like cars and satellites to the smallest components like sensors and switches. Anything that needs to be manufactured, indeed anything with moving parts, needs to the expertise of mechanical engineering. So, it's my explanation about mechanical engineering.
Hello everyone, my name is Yigitalp and I'm going to reply the second question. The second question is that what does a mechanical engineering student learn in undergraduate level? So, first of all, I need to say mechanical engineering education is for 4 years. And there are a lot of lessons in first, second, third, and fourth years. But many lessons in the first year are basic, which means are usually common with another engineering branches. So if I talk about the lessons in the first year, first of all, basic physics, basic maths, basic information technology, technical drawing, technical English, chemistry, describing mechanical engineering, programming, and the final one is static. Let me explain some of them. First of all, basic information technology is about how to use Word and Excel program in computers. And technical drawing is the lesson which deals with drawing the machine components and their assembly in the technical rules, of course. And also technical English is about learning technical terms are often used in mechanical engineering as English. And programming is the lesson which deals with language of program like MATLAB, C, C++, and so on, and their uses in computers. And finally, statics. Statics is the lesson which deals with forces or stationary matters. The lessons in the second year are electrics, maths again, durability, dynamics, engineering maths, engineering materials, and electronics, thermodynamic, and finally is fluid mechanics. Let me explain some of them. If I start from durability, durability is the lesson that deals with actions of matters that results from their internal forces because of the external forces on that matters. And the next one is dynamics. Dynamics is the lesson which deals with chains of motion in matters resulting from forces on it. And engineering maths. Engineering math contains the same topic but is much more detailed than basic maths. And the next one is engineering materials. Engineering materials, the lesson that deals with the materials that is often used by engineers. And electronics. Electronics is the lesson that deals with the systems and components that can process, carry, and storage dates by using electrics. And next one is thermodynamic. Thermodynamic is the lesson that deals with relationships among work, energy, heat, and temperature. And the last one is fluid mechanics. If I talk about fluid mechanics, is the lesson that deals with physical behavior that belongs to fluid matters. The lessons in the third year are manufacturing processes, machine design, heat transfer, system model and analysis, mechanisms, thermodynamics again, heating and ventilation systems, practical statistics in engineering, machine dynamics, and the last one is control systems. If I start from manufacturing processes, theoretical information about manufacturing and production techniques are explained in this lesson. And the next lesson is heat transfer. Heat transfer is the lesson that deals with transferring energy among matters that the temperatures are different one another. And system model and analysis is the lesson that deals with description input, logic, output, and components of system and work processing of the systems. And practical statistics in engineering. Basic statistics concepts and statistical analysis methods are explained in this lesson. And the last one is control systems. Control systems is the lesson that deals with devices or device groups that can control directly or indirectly behaviors of another devices. The lessons in the final year are occupational health safety, basic internship, research project, career internship, entering a profession, measurement and analysis in mechanical engineering, and the last one is capstone project. So let me explain one of them. Is measurement and analysis in mechanical engineering is the lesson which contains 12 experiments from a lot of kind of subjects and one design project. So as you see, there are a lot of lessons to learn in undergraduate level in mechanical engineering education. Thank you for watching me.
First of all, mechanical engineering is the widest branch of engineering, so it has a lot of workspace. Briefly, we can summarize mechanical engineers' working areas as a place where there is a machine. What is important is your choice you want to do work in the office, on the work site, or work on sale. Decide. If you are going to work on the work site, you should be very good with the machines. You have to enjoy working with machines. You should not be afraid of getting dirty here, because you are going to be in very dusty, dirty and metal environments. Communication is an important factor in this field, because you should always be in touch with the craftsmen and employees. If you want to be an office worker, you can draw projects or you can track your incoming projects. Knowing like SolidWorks, AutoCAD programs in this area might be useful. Hadi bakalım. If you want to work in R&D, you must research a lot. You must love to read and test. You must be a good observer and good analysis. A beautiful working environment for R&D is not easy to find. I recommend that you work well and go to the beautiful R&D centers. If you want to work on sale, you must enter a company. Here you get price offers, you try to sell machines to people who reach you. Persuasion is very important in this area. Communication is the most important in this area. You can also be a quality control engineer if you have a great passion for reading and learning. You can also choose to be an academician.